Countries and communities around the world are more connected than ever. Criminals are adapting to this new environment and exploiting our increased dependency on digital technologies. It's no longer possible to confine the study of crime to a national level. Our response to crime now needs to consider this internationality. Our MSc in International Criminology and Criminal Justice takes an international approach to the study of crime and crime control. On this program, you will gain a deep understanding of the nature and impact of international crime, with special attention given to cross-border criminality and the domestic and international responses to it. You will study international and transnational crimes, such as terrorism, drug trafficking, and cyber fraud, along with domestic violence, child sexual abuse, and hate crime, and how their scope, nature, and impact have been changed by our increasingly globalized and digitalized society. You will learn about the challenges national and international law enforcement agencies face in their attempts to respond to the serious and significant impact these crimes pose. We will equip you with the practical skills needed to assess the nature, scale, and impact of international crimes, using crime data and statistics. This includes traditional forms of data, such as police-recorded offenses, but also new and emerging data sources, such as social media data and big data analytics. For instance, you will learn how to measure the scale and intensity of online hate speech through analysis of data from social media. You will have the opportunity to apply the knowledge and skills acquired and developed during the program on a professional work placement. We have placement opportunities with organizations including the Welsh Government, Wales Probation Service, and College of Policing. There will also be opportunities to work with our internationally renowned research centers and institutes such as the Hate Lab, the Crime and Security Research Institute, along with the many opportunities to collaborate and work with researchers in our Social Science Research Park. Graduates of this program may go on to work for public or private agencies or NGOs addressing crime-related issues in roles such as crime analyst, security and cybersecurity analyst, or money laundering reporting officer.